Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share these products with you because 'tis the Easter season. That was dumb. Okay, anyway, I'm very excited about these. Now, a lot of you remember our cute little turtle 5x7 fold it. We also came out with the little piggy friend fold it, but now it is time for our Easter friend fold it. Now, our Easter friend fold it is, or bunny fold it, is 5x7 in size. And let me just tell you, oh, so cute. Look at that. Now, I also gave you extra dies for the bow, the nose, and the eyes, and a cute little cookie. But look, you could do the cute little Easter on there. Isn't that adorable? Open it up. I absolutely love it. Now, I have lots more samples to share with you, so stay tuned. We also released, and let me just tell you, there are more in this collection coming soon. This one I wanted to get out right away for Easter because, are you ready? It is, and I know it's not going to look like much, so I'm going to have to get a sample. It is an Easter bunny, or just bunny, lollipop holder. Lollipop holder. Look at that. Is that just the most yummiest looking little thing you've ever seen? Isn't that so cute? Look at the little toe. Look at the little bunny. Who did that one? That is so cute. I love that. But look at how fun this is. Now, what kind of lollipop fits? Pretty much anything. You can do I won't say any names, but you could do this kind. You could also do the smaller kind if you want to. You could put seriously anything in there. Doesn't even have to be a lollipop. It could be just a candy if you want to. But look at how dang adorable those are. Aren't those so sweet? Can you imagine putting some of these in somebody's Easter basket? Oh, goodness gracious. Now, and look, I went extra on this. I gave you some bows. I gave you the little feet separately. I gave you the eyes separately so you can just piece them all together. Now, last but not least is an item that has been requested. I almost said for centuries. Now, that's not quite true, but it's been requested many, many years. And it is a tooth fold it. Now, I gave you bows and a bow tie, so it could be boys or girls. And let me just tell you, look how cute. And I gave you different eyes too. So you could have big eyes, you could have little eyes. So here's this one, because this one's like asleep, right? Because the tooth fairy can't come until, hello. Or you could just do this one. Thank you. This is perfect for the, thank you for the dentist to give to the patient, or the patient to give to the dentist. That's also perfect. Or look at this, or a gold one, which is kind of funny. I know, I kind of like that one. That's funny. Here's another one. And who did this one? Yvette. Yvette, I owe you $1. Look at that. But, excuse me. How adorable is this? How adorable is this? Oh my goodness gracious. It's a little thing, a little card you could hang on a doorknob. So adorable. I have more. Look, so here's the cute little ones. You could also, my friends, use the more faces to stamp stamps and make your own faces if you want to. So there's a lot of different options on this one. You can also, of course, put it on an A2 card base. This one's actually our rounded gate fold. So look how fun that is. Here's a cute face. You're going to have so much fun with the faces. Now, again, good for boys and girls as well. Or Michelle made a cute little stuffy. You know how much we love her little stuffies, but look how cute that is out of our wool felt. I love that. Now, let's jump back in and look at our bunny friend, because our bunny friend is so dang adorable. Look how cute. Now, you could also make her purple. You could make her purple. You could also have her eyes looking down if you want to. You can also give her a love balloon, which is so sweet. I love that. Or this one is very awesome. And I don't know if I ever told you, I used to teach art classes to preschoolers. This one just reminds me of that. Look at how cute this little, and it says live life in full color. And she's got paint all over her. Isn't she adorable? Now let's look at some more lollipop holders, because these are so cute. Now, you could use Velcro to close this. This one has Velcro on it. You can see right here, little Velcro dots if you want to close it and open it if you want to. When I did mine, I just glued it. I figured, yeah, the kid's just going to rip it apart, right? Who cares? Or the adult, doesn't matter. But I just made it, I added a little foam dot on each side, and boom, you can add that lollipop in there. Doesn't that look good? Yummy, yummy. Here's another one. Yummy. Oh, so cute. I love that. And there we go. Oh, here, this one popped open. This one's ready to be eaten. I guess I got to eat it. There we go. Look how cute those are. Look at those little feet. I absolutely love that. Yes, there are more coming, but do not limit this one to just a lollipop holder because look at this. Same die, add those feet, have it do something else. It's all about different uses, right? So Chris took this one and she just puts the word spring below her. So she's like looking over it. Isn't that adorable? Absolutely love that. Now, club members, I know you know, but I'll tell the new club members, you're getting 15 or 20% off everything I just showed you. Yay! It's a sale every day when you come to our website and you're a club member. But if you buy these items the first 24 hours they're on our website, we like to extra reward the early birds, right? If you get on our website the first 24 hours these are on our website, they're on flash sale. Best sale price of the year or forever because we don't put items on sale later, right? These items are not going to go on sale in a year. No. Our website's on sale every single day for all of our club members, 15 to 20% off. But the first 24 hours they're on our website, we sometimes like to do a flash sale. So it's like, buy it now at the extra special discount because once that flash sale's over, it goes to our regular everyday price, which is still awesome. And then our club members get that discount. But club members get the flash sale discount and the club discount, double discounts. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.